Where you go at, bro? That's a baby bird, bro. I think he might have fell out of his nest or something, because this nigga, he can't fly nothing. Damn, that's messed up. He must have fell out of his nest, and then ain't nobody even fucking with dude. It's crazy. We'll go get that nigga. Bring him in. I would go get him, bro. I should go get that nigga and bring him in, bro. But then here, it'll be another situation like the squirrel situation, man. It'll be another situation like the squirrel situation. And then when I let his ass go, you know what I'm saying, he fuck around and be getting attacked and shit by the other birds and shit. You know what I'm saying? Because he wouldn't be raised around them and stuff. Maybe his parents will get him, bro. It's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Maybe his peoples will come and get him or something, man. He must have fell out of a tree or something. Because these little birds right here, them motherfuckers can fly. Them birds right there, they can fly. Dudes, he ain't even got, his feathers and shit ain't even rolled in or nothing. He just look, you know what I'm saying? He look, you know, like it's a baby bird, bro. Nigga fell out of that tree. He ran up over here, up under them bushes over here. I don't know, man. If he come back out, bro, I mean, he ain't got no pee, and his little peoples don't come and get him or something, bro. I might have to go get that nigga. Might have to go get the little bird, man. Because I done seen possums out here and everything, bro. Scavenging. Looking for anything they can get up on. Anything. So, I have to go get him, bro. I said I will go get his ass now, but it look like they got a fire. Yeah, might be a grill. Might got a grill started up or something. For all I know, motherfucker could have started up their car or some shit. I don't know. About this motherfucking little big bird, bro. You know, them little birds right there is flying right there. That's where a little bird ran at. But when it get later, you know what I'm saying, them motherfucking possums and shit gonna start coming out, bro. You know, I done seen possums, raccoons, and all kind of shit over here, so, you know, I done seen rats over this motherfucker. Might be some snakes in this motherfucker, for all I know. I know it ain't good for him to be done fell up out of that nest like that, though. Motherfucker probably try to fly too early or something. Get on out of here. And there go another bird. That's a different bird. It's a different bird. That might be his peoples right there. I don't know. Maybe his peoples. Don't look like it, because I see that check. Let me get on out of here. Thank you, Creator. You know I love you. Love y'all. Call out to Creator. Creator is the truth. Do you speak it? Another thing is, man, I ain't even gonna speak on that. I'm gonna leave it alone.